So, I just recorded a video which made absolutely nothing because I forgot my SD card was plugged into my computer right here in the goddamn slot. So, that was a fail. But just to let you know that this is a quick vlog to show you that, I'm still here. And that I will be making vlogs like every day for as long as I can. Because I have a second channel as well with my colleague. Let me know down below if you want to know, like, if you guys would like to know the name of it. I'm building a PC as well, and if you guys want to know, I'll show you very shortly in the next week or two. I don't know when they're gonna arrive the equipment, but next week or two. Um, I'm checking the channel right now, and I'm loving the support extremely. We hit 673 views on the episode 2 Clash of Clans Wars 5 vs 5, challenge 5 vs 5. That is truly amazing. I did episode 3, didn't get that many, but still, it's a start. Um, just for the love of it, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, I was gonna say like I was gonna figure out which level which league I was beforehand, but yes, I'll be in the future. I guess we'll find out later. So basically, the goal of this is to get you to know life by life and what's going on with me, and to know what I do in life, you know. So let me know, and I'll see you later. Peace.